Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of defy. Openly resist or refuse to obey. For example, a woman who defies convention. American pronunciation. Defy. Defy. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Defy. Say. Defy. Defy means openly resist. Defy. Defy. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. She didn't defy authority, but refused to back down. Now, repeat after me. She didn't defy authority, but refused to back down. The second practice. What if mayors around the nation just openly defied the law? Now, repeat after me. What if mayors around the nation just openly defied the law?
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.